Heavy snowfall in Japan kills 17, injures dozens. At least 17 people have been killed and 93 others injured as heavy snows blanketed large parts of Japan since last week. Fire and disaster management agency officials reported on Monday. Many of them were buried underneath large piles of snow or have fallen while removing snow from the roofs, the officials said. Massive snowstorms struck Japan since last week, knocking off electricity and power across the country and leaving about 20,000 homes without power. Dozens of trains and flights were also suspended in northern Japan through Sunday, but services have since mostly resumed, according to the Transportation Ministry. Japan's northern regions are known for their severe winters. However, this year's snowfall was record high, with many parts of the northern Japan reporting 3 times their average snowfall for the season.
The Japan Meteorological Agency said cold air is entering Japan, bringing heavy snowfall mainly in Hokkaido and areas facing the Sea of Japan and the main island of Honshu. Forecasts say up to 1 meter of snow will fall in Niigata Prefecture a day before Monday morning, Prefecture a day, and up to 17 centimeters of snow will fall in the Hokkaido regions. In Japan, due to heavy snowfall, more than 18,000 people were left without electricity and heat. The heavy snow covered by noon in a number of areas of Hamagata Prefecture is 229 centimeters, in Aomori 193 centimeters, Niigata 117 centimeters, Hokkaido 154 centimeters, Fukushima 148 centimeters. In the 24-hour, Tadami Fukushima Prefecture received 110 centimeters of snow, while Akura Yakamata Prefecture received 101 centimeters of snow during the same period, according to the Japan Meteorological Agency. It is expected 18 centimeters of snow will fall in Hokuriku and 17 centimeters in Tohoku. Heavy snowfall in Niigata Prefecture, traffic jams in some areas, heavy snowfall at night. Winter-type atmospheric pressure has increased in strong cold air current blowing in the sky, causing heavy snowfalls from the Sea of Japan. Especially around Niigata Prefecture, heavy snowfall and 83 centimeters of snowfall in Niigata City at 11 o'clock. Increasing snowfall will have a winter impact on traffic. Heavy snowfall and snowstorms are predicted in the northern region of Japan.